Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to deposit money to a ByBit account. First thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to bybit.com. And from here, just make sure you are signed in into your account. And if you want to deposit money to ByBit account, you will go over here, buy a crypto. And from here, you will have two options. You can either go for fiat deposit, which you can top up balance via bank transfer or a bank card, or you can go for crypto deposit, which you can do instant crypto deposits to your account. So let's go for fiat deposit, so we can top up balance via bank transfer or bank account. And from here, guys, just simply provide the amount over here. And after that, just simply go ahead and provide the currency that you prefer. So you will have here multiple options that you can choose from. And from here, you can use the search bar over here to search a specific currency. And now, once you have done that, just simply go ahead and provide the payment method. And from there, just simply click on continue. And after that, guys, just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.